What do we have here? We got some batteries. We're doing a tear down of the 12 volt solar storage system. I guess I'm going to finally retire Dad's workbench and get some actual battery trays. So we're slowly taping off and tearing down, and we'll get rid of this mess and this mess, and we'll get her nice and neat. And I already have the 24 volt inverter set up, and I've got a new 12 volt power panel. This is the 24 to 12 volt voltage inverter converter dropper thingy, and this is good for 40 amps of solar, so we're fine and dandy. I'm going to have to redo my solar probably and put every other one in series so I can get a little more voltage. I still got to read up on that. And the Victron cutoff is good for 24 volts, so that's fine. Oh, volt amp meter, watt meter thingy. I think that's good for 24 volts. I haven't checked it out yet. If not, I'll connect it. I don't know. Might even just get rid of that thing. There we go.